friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this top 10 best ways to use vitamin E capsules for your skin and body in your daily life. Vitamin E has a multiple benefits and contain a very high dose of antioxidants. This nourish our skin and hair and make them stay beautiful for a longer time. So the first way to use this is to prevent wrinkles. And for this you will require powder of 2 vitamin C capsules. In a clean bowl, add the powder of 2 vitamin C capsules. Into this add 2 teaspoons of rose water, and then into this I will add the content of 2 vitamin E capsules. Now mix all the ingredients well. Massage gently into damaged and wrinkled skin by rubbing gently in circular motion. Leave on for 20 minutes and then rinse with water and pet dry. You can repeat this process daily. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, enabling it to fight off the free radicals that may damage your skin. The second way is to use it to make a super exfoliating scrub. For this you will require 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of honey, 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk, and oil of 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules. Mix all the ingredients together and apply it on your face and then gently massage in circular motion. Then allow to dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with water, again using a circular motion for more exfoliating action. The third way to use this vitamin E capsules is to use it to prepare a lip balm to lighten your dark lips naturally. If your lips have become dark and you are not blessed with natural pink lips, then this lip balm is of great use for you. You have to first add a teaspoon of beetroot juice in a clean container. Into this add around a teaspoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly and oils of 2 vitamin E capsules. Now mix all these ingredients very well using a toothpick and massage it on your lips for a minute 2 to 3 times in a day to make them rosy pink. The fourth way is to use it in removing dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. So for this you will require 2 to 3 teaspoons of potato juice. And into this add oils of 2 vitamin E capsule and mix it well. Apply this mixture under your eyes and leave it for half an hour and wash it off. You can also apply it in the night and leave it overnight and wash it in the morning for even better results. The fifth way to use this vitamin E capsule is to use it in your homemade facial mask. And for this you will require around 2 to 3 teaspoons of cucumber juice. And into this I will add 2 vitamin E capsules. Apply the mixture on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This face mask is ideal for restoring the lost skin radiance. Now the sixth way is to use it in your overnight beauty mask for crystal clear and glowing skin. And to prepare this, in a clean bowl add 2 teaspoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then extract the oil of 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules and mix all the ingredients very well. Mix everything well and use your fingertips to apply on your clean skin as a mask. Leave it for overnight and next morning rinse with cold water. The seventh way is to use it to soften rough and dry hands. Vitamin E is a great moisturizer for dry and rough hands. It helps keep your skin soft, supple and moisturized. So first take a small tub or a bowl filled with lukewarm water. Into this add the content of 2 vitamin E capsules. Then add around 1 teaspoon of honey and 1/4 freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then soak your hands for 10 to 15 minutes and then pet dry and apply some moisturizer. Follow this remedy a few times a week to enjoy soft and smooth hands. The eighth way to use this vitamin E capsule is to use it to prepare an under eye gel. So for this you will require around 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 1.5 teaspoon of cucumber juice. And then into this I will add the content of 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix everything well and you should have a jelly like cream. Dab a small amount of this gel under your eyes and leave it on for overnight. This will reduce your dark circles and gives a relaxing and smoothing feeling once applied. The ninth way to use this vitamin E capsule is to use it to make a nourishing scrub for your skin. For this mix 2 teaspoons of coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Then add 3 to 4 drops of any essential oil of your choice. And lastly I will add into this the content of 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules. Mix everything and massage gently on your body's skin till sugar granules melt completely. And the 10th and the last way to use this vitamin E capsule is to use it to remove stretch marks. So for this, take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel in a clean bowl and around 1.5 teaspoon of coconut oil. And then into this I will add the content of 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix all the ingredients well and then massage this mixture all over the abdominal areas to prevent stretch marks from appearing. So friends, this were the top 10 best uses of vitamin E capsules. So I hope you find this video useful, and please leave your comment below and let me know how this treatment worked for your skin. And if you find this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. So take care, be healthy, wealthy, and always keep smiling.